What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Sweaty Reflection. Okay, today is Friday, January 17th, 2020. Now, I just finished with the advanced class, but the advanced class was pretty long. I think we rolled almost an hour today after we did the drills and the techniques, etc. So today, once again, Coach Elijah was allowing me to show technique with a throw, and I was working on the arm drag, where you do the arm drag and then you do an inside like leg trip, take the person down. So I do appreciate Coach Elijah for allowing me to continue to show the moves. It's helping me hone my throwing techniques. And then we got into the sweeps using the worm guard, that continuous series where it leads to leg locks, etc. Then we got into our rolls. Now, as far as our rolls are concerned, and this time I'm working on those entries to the leg locks, trying to make them smoother. I was working on the Captain Morgan again, the 10th planet techniques to try to, fold the person legs up and try to get them to, do a technique so I can do a different technique, trying to, two-step process. Also, I did some flow rolls, etc. We had a good number of people coming in, good crew. Everybody's improving as usual. And thank you guys for listening as always. Until next time.